Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So let's try and transfer some files in Discord that's actually some big in sizes. For example, I'm gonna be inside Discord as you can see right here. Click on the plus icon right there, click upload the file, and basically choose a file that's actually a bit large in size. For example, this one right here. As you can see, there is gonna be a file size limit. The limit for Discord files transfer is actually up to 10 megabytes or 10 MB. So how can we transfer some large files inside Discord? What we can do right now is open up our browser. Let me just open up this one right here. And then here type in WeTransfer. It's going to be a website where you can transfer files. So open this one right there. Wait for it to open it up. So basically in here, you're just going to sign in. You can just sign in using your Demby Google account just to get that files right there. So in here, you can just simply click on add files right there. Just accept that cookies options. And in here, let me just click on add files. Look for the file you're trying to add earlier. Because what we're doing right now is we're getting the link. So if I click on transfer right here, it will give me a link that I can send on Discord. And basically it's going to look like a drive link. And that's it. That's how you transfer big files inside Discord.